you bored for the Christmas? Looking some fun activities to do? Then this is the video for you. Fun Christmas activities to help you enjoy your Christmas. Let's go into the video.
Rockin' around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sassy Shan. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, as you see in the title, you're going to be seeing some fun activities you can do during this Christmas. Now, you know we're a Jamaican, so I'm going to be giving you the real lower down Jamaican fun activities you can do this Christmas with your friends, family, siblings, anybody, just about anybody, right? So, number one on the list. Number one, I'm gonna say go to church. So I know some churches might have like cantata. Like I know for my church we're having cantata, and you can have Christmas morning church or Christmas church or some play or stuff. Those are some great activities you can share with your family. So the first thing you're gonna do, go to church. All right, number two, we're going to look at baking Christmas cookies or cakes with your friends and family. Those, especially the cookie part, decorating with your family. I know my sister and I plan to do that activity for the Christmas. So you can bake cookies, decorate them however you like with your family members, with your friends, with everybody, right? So think about that one. Now, we also have this one that I found on it's not Pinterest, but I steal it off the internet, right? And it says creating snow globes from mason jars. I'm going to put a picture right here so you can see it. Like, I think that's a great idea. I think if I get to buy a snow, well, I have a lot of mason jars, so I'm going to try to create a snow globe for you. And if it works out, then I'm gonna tell y'all to, you know, well, you guys can try it for real, but I'm gonna do that on my channel. You'll see. If you don't know how to make it, I'm gonna research how to make it and create a nice snow globe. So that's number three. So I personally used to love this one. I'm not sure how much I can do it because I think I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to do it, but hosting a game night at your home is a perfect activity for the Christmas. So it's either you're going to invite some friends to play domino or ludi or card packs, whatever it is, but hosting a game night at your home for the Christmas is also another great activity to share with your family friends. Taking holiday photo cards with your family and friends are also another great activity. I don't know, you can dress up a light, you can even decorate the background or whatever and take some nice family photos or nice friends photos, and you'll have a great activity there. So you can check that out. I personally like this one because I like movies. So movie nights with your family and friends are great activities to share with the Christmas. Now this one, I don't care what nobody want to say, I personally like this. Going to grand market. All of the Jamaican people, them, I don't know what me talk. Going to grand market, even if you're not buying nothing. Yes, everybody I say, broke here this. I don't care. Just walking for me, seeing a lot of people. I don't know, it's like Christmas time, people come together. Not sure, I don't know if I'm alone feel so, but me feel like they come together. So sharing that experience, like walking to see somebody say, hi Shanique, and you're like, oh hey, I haven't seen you in 3 years or whatever, you know? I feel like it's the bomb activities to do. So let me look at some more activities for you. Oh, I like this one. I wonder if I can do it too. It's called sip and paint. But what you're gonna sip is eggnog, and you're gonna paint Christmas pictures. So I saw that on the net and I was like, ooh, that's a cute activity to do for Christmas. So we're going to do that one. Me and my sister, of course, and maybe mommy and daddy, I don't know. We're going to sip eggnog and we're going to paint some Christmas cards or paint some Christmas pictures, whatever it is. But that's another fun activities for you to do. All right, so I don't know how many persons might think this is a fun one, but I think it's fun, maybe because I like to see the lights. But going out to see some lights, driving by to see the perfect lights, I think there's a place in Mandeville that I love to see, and I hope I get the chance to see it this year. Like, just drive past it. I don't care how long I stay. I just want to drive past it to see the lights. So you guys can check that out. I mean, it's a great activity. So, one last one for you. Make spiked hot cider or hot cooker. I'm gonna put the picture right here. So it's like you're making some, I'm not sure what they put in it, but you're making some hot cocoas, and then you're going to style it how you want and enjoy with your friends. Yeah, so those are some awesome activities to share with your family and friends. And I know for the typical grand Jamaicans, we're going to cook a big pot of meal, and we're going to gather, play music, enjoy ourselves, so we know how to have fun. So I know that you guys are going to add these activities that I gave you to your little life that you have already and spice it up. So don't be bored this Christmas. Remember to have fun. Love you guys. Bye.